Love is in the air, and your sweet treats do not have to be guilty. Love may be in the air, but you don't have to cheat on your healthy diet this Valentine's Day. I have a recipe for you that it will be healthy and something that you will be happy to treat your loved one to. Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Her Midlife. I am Christine, the creator of this YouTube channel and the blog healthyhermidlife.com. Today we are making a sweet dessert, a chocolate mousse, and it's going to be completely vegan. And the surprise ingredient is a couple of these. Avocados are full of healthy fats, magnesium, fiber. They're really good for you. And today we're going to be using these to make a creamy chocolate mousse that doesn't have any sugar except for maple syrup. Let's get started. First, we are going to go ahead and chop up 2 avocados. And I'm using a food processor. You could also use a blender for this recipe or good old-fashioned muscle strength. Now, my honey does not like avocado, so this is going to be a test. Okay, to the avocados, we're going to add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Make sure your maple syrup is pure maple syrup and not a maple-like syrup. You want to get as close to the source as possible. And now we're going to add 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't get the sweetened kind. Don't get the hot chocolate kind. The pure, unsweetened cocoa. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of your favorite plant-based milk. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Also, just a dash of salt, and I'm using Himalayan pink salt. That's it. All right, we are going to give this a whirl and pulse it until it is completely incorporated and creamy. That looks pretty good, but I'm going to push it down and hit it again. It kind of looks like frosting right now. This would also be a good time to taste it and to see if you want to adjust anything. Do you want to be a little bit sweeter? Do you need a little more vanilla? I think it's great, just like that.
Meal planning doesn't have to be stressful. I've created the Busy Woman's 3-step meal planning guide to help you save time, eat healthier, and make meal prep effortless. It's totally free, and it's your first step toward stress-free eating. Grab your copy now. And if you're ready for personalized coaching, I've got a few spots left in my beta coaching program. Check it out while you're there.
I mean, this looks pretty good. I am happy with it. Now, my first avocado was very ripe and very creamy. The second one was just store-bought and not as ripe. And there's a little bit of chunks of avocado left, but I did try to puree it as much as possible. This recipe made just enough, I think, for 2 generous servings. So I'm going to use my scooper and put them into these cute little cheap wine glasses I have. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. And you can't even taste the avocado in that. That is so good. You're going to want to refrigerate these for at least an hour before serving and top them with your favorite berries. Raspberries are great for Valentine's Day, but you could also do coconut, you can do blueberries, blackberries, even banana would be great in these. There you have it. Very healthy, or at least healthier, Valentine's Day dessert. Okay, ladies, that's all I have for you this week. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you give it a try for this Valentine's Day and let me know how you liked it. Were you able to taste the avocado? I don't think so. I'm betting you'll not be able to taste that avocado. If you did try it, leave a note in the comments section and let me know how you liked it. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your favorite girlfriends, and also subscribe to the channel. It really does help me grow and reach more amazing women just like you. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time on Healthy Her Midlife.